Hi guys, it's Flutter. There's a whippoorwill out in the woods over here, and I'm gonna see if you can hear it. Hold on. Are you done now? He's starting back up again. They go forever. My mom likes whippoorwills. I think she'll appreciate this video. Because my mom and dad are my everything, my whole family is. I loves them. It's starting back up again, guys. That's pretty loud too. What do you do? Move closer? Oh, hold on. Yep, that's all they do. And it's only at night. They don't do it during the day. They just keep doing that over and over and over again. Aww. I don't know if any of you have ever heard one of them or not. You have now. Oh, he stopped again. Oh, started again. This is what they do. They like go for a while, and then they stop, and then they go again for a while, and then they stop. It's so cute. Aww. I came out here one night. I was just going down the road, and all of a sudden this big owl swooped down in front of the truck and just kind of glided down the road a little bit and then went off to the side. That was so amazing. That was so cool. I have a couple owls that live over by where I am, and I swear they were getting it on one day. It was like the weirdest noises, like whoo, and then whoo, or something. I don't know what was going on, but it was two different owls. I know two different owls live around me. We have so many rabbits around, I worry about them, but I don't know, they were making some weird noises, and it sounded like mating noises to me. I'm not sure, but I just wanted you to hear the whippoorwill. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, it's free, and hit the notification bell. That'll let you know when I post another video. Who knows what it'll be of. I'm always doing something different, usually. Well, I like the Uperlite looking and all that stuff. It's close to home, so I do it quite often. But have a good night, guys. Flutter out, yo.